Requesting paid time off on Paycom is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it step by step. Log into Paycom. Open the Paycom app or website. Enter your company ID, username and password to access your account. Navigate to the time management section. Once logged in, find and click on the time management tab from the main dashboard. This section allows you to manage your time entries and PTO requests. Select PTO request. Look for the PTO request or request time off option within the time management section. This will take you to the PTO request form. Fill out the PTO request form. Enter the details for your PTO request, including the start and end dates, type of leave, and any relevant notes. Ensure you check your available PTO balance to avoid conflicts. Submit the request. After filling in the details, review your request for accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your PTO request to your manager or HR for approval. Confirmation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. You may also receive an email notification once it's approved or denied.